Hey, cat. Meow. Pet the cat. Pick up the cat. Meow, meow, meow. ओए ठीक है, क्यूट है। ओए कागी। म्याऊ। आजा वापस आजा। ये ये वेल कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना। अच्छा ज्यादा दिन नहीं रहती। Pet the cat. Hard to tell if it likes it or not. Well, she's cute. Yeah, how's he doing? Yes, was there something you wanted? Feeling any better? My good man, we are all on good. ये बहुत नेगेटिव है बंदा. What do you think happens to us after we die? Faith will deliver us to the sweet hereafter. Nothing. I don't know. Maybe we float around in space. Well, जैसी हमारी जो मेन कैरेक्टर की पर्सनैलिटी है काफ़ी एंटी सोशल है एंड जो भी है तो आई गेस इट्स नथिंग. I was truly hoping you would say something else. You might be right, of course, but that sounds so sorrowful. For there to be nothing in the end, after all this, nothing but darkness. I suddenly don't really feel like talking. So, did you go see your husband? I can barely even get out of bed. Everything hurts and I'm exhausted. I'm pretty sure I'm only alive still out of spite. Everything was on me, the kids, my husband, the whole house. But sometimes he did things that made it almost tolerable. Can we talk later? भाई कितना रेस्ट लेगी? Well, I'll see. Wish them visitor would just go back underground. Haven't me? Hell no. And stupid. Look, I have been around the dead all my life. Used to be death didn't bother me. Die. They bury you. Dundee. Now who's left to bury you? Okay. And even if someone does, how do you know you stay buried? I saw a grave. I know I failed and it was empty. But I buried him myself. Now I'm thinking maybe my grave will be empty too. Maybe I'm a visitor already. Oh. I don't. Okay. Wait. Let's test him. Go on, check. I'm wide open. Yeah. Photo. A photo is a dangerous thing. I tell ya, like a mirror. Oh yeah, he's chill. Yeah, he's chill. इसको अब टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, हमने 3-4 टेस्ट ले लिए इसके ऑलरेडी. Well, yeah, let's. How did he die? I can't. It's just too much. I've run out of tears. I have no tear left to cry. But that's wrong, all wrong. I can't just stop crying. He needs to be worried. Yeah, bro. मेरे वो क्यों? Okay, पगला रही है. They only just gave him back to me, and now who gave you? FEMA वाले? I won't send him down into the cold-hearted earth. Okay, let's test her. Photo. Let's see photo. Really, that doesn't seem humiliating to you? Okay. Oi, I have. Yeah. Photo ले इसकी. अभी ये dark patches कहेंगे. I need to test her. भाई से बताऊँ, she is kind of creepy and like husband and ये. Should I? Of course, my picture would turn out such shallow blue. You know why that is? You know how it is for me, and yet you keep tormenting me. Why? I have only one photograph left with him. Is that all I get to keep? Just a picture. Okay, she's. ठीक है, दया आ गई तेरे पे. Hey kitty. Yay. Meow. Hey, ठीक है. I take my words back. Cute है ये. Look at cutie. Animation. बहुत ही fluffy सी है. But the thing is उसका बच्चा कहाँ गया? पहले तो ये क्वेश्चन है. वो जो लेडीज थी उसका बच्चा किधर गया ब्रो? खावा गया कोई इसको? I want mommy. How are you holding up? Do you like it here? It's okay here, but I wish I was at home. When can I go home? Maybe later. It's being renovated. Well, एक child को ये बोलना है ना काफ़ी वो हो जाएगा dehumanizing type, Yeah, it's being renovated. Are they making me a new room? Dad is still coming for me, right? Yeah, you should stay here for now. I'm not going anywhere without Daddy. He's coming to get me, right? I saw him get up and leave. Okay. ठीक है चल. Hey, kitty. कितनी सोती है गंदे तरीके से बिल्कुल ही. पहले बाहर देखते हैं. You see a woman crying over her wound. Dead husband. You can tell if he's alive or dead. Tears streaked, he dragged his heavy body. Okay. You're left with a single thought. Things will only get worse. अबे ये अरे तेरी friend मिल गई. The path along the field is littered with the bodies of those who tried to run. Nearby stands the man responsible, a FEMA officer. He holds a rifle, smoke. Okay. Like, why he's killing them, huh? Oh. Okay. Witness the beginning of end. ओके ओके यही था बस. आज कोई नहीं आ रहा भाई. जुकाम एक तो इतना हो रहा ना, क्या बताऊँ मैं. बार बार ही. ओके क्या हो गया क्या हो गया क्या हो गया. प्रिवेंट विजिटर फ्रॉम. वो डैम आई एम प्लेइंग गुड. इसी बात पे लाइक क्या क्या करना पड़ता है भाई. वी इंटरप्ट दिस प्रोग्राम विद ब्रेकिंग न्यूज. Reports of civil unrest are coming in from a neighboring city. Due to unresolved circumstances, FEMA forces have sealed off the area. Please remain in your homes. Stay where you are and await further instruction. And remember, support FEMA and join fighting against visitor. That's the latest for now. Next up, some ads. Okay, nature of visitor. What are visitor? Ghost creatures from deep underground. No, this is neither a sci-fi movie nor a cheap headline. This is a new reality. Rumors continue to swirl about the visitor's true origin. Are the aliens the Walking Dead? A lab experiment gone wrong? According to the authorities, these are all just baseless theories. Studies show that a visitor is human who has come contact into with an undetermined biological agent. Well, biological agent like वायरस वगैरह हो गया ना. तो like अगर वायरस वगैरह से वो बंदा कांटेक्ट में आया एंड देन ही इज अ विजिटर, तो स्टार्ट में ये क्यों बोला कि वो अंडरग्राउंड से क्रॉल कर रहे हैं. एंड इफ दैट इज नॉट ट्रू, इन्होंने ये वो डर्ट वाला क्यों दे रखा है हमें. लाइक क्या ऐसा सीन है कि वो बायोलॉजिकल एजेंट में भी डेड बॉडीज को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. या नथिंग, सम थिंग्स आर नॉट मेकिंग सेंस. Methods of transmission remains unknown, and the FEMA urges everyone to stay alert for sign of visitor. If you believe you have been exposed or are unsure, okay. Even the hardest work need. Oh yeah, cigarette. With Marlboro cigarette, you can take a deep breath, truly unwind. For real man, the company is not liable for any harm. ठीक है. Like क्या सीरियस का एनर्जी वगैरह देगी ये भी. म्याऊ. Well, if you can hear this, stay away from the outskirts. FEMA officers are shooting at anyone trying to leave. I don't know what's going on. I just want to get out of. Someone please निपटा दिया उसको. Okay, ये बंदा चिल है. Wish them visitor would just go back underground. Where do you think visitor come from? Well, उसे कैसे पता होगा bro? You ever notice the way they look so damn familiar? They don't look like person, but like the memory of a person. You got a theory? You sure you wanna hear it? Alright, here goes. Maybe visitors and the dead. Maybe they are thoughts, the ones we don't bury. Fear, regrets, feelings you never let go. They pile up, and when it's too quiet in the dirt, they crawl out. Not looking for flesh, looking for attention. The more you are scared, the closer they get, because you remember them. And anything remembered wants to be alive. उसका बच्चा कहाँ है? भाई कहाँ? थैले वेले में डाल दिया तुमने झोले में. What kind of things did he do? I remember this one time he used to drive this woman around. I knew what was going on. I tolerated it at first, but I couldn't stay quiet. I nagged and nagged. He ended up switching jobs so he wouldn't see her anymore. Or maybe he really did love me. Or maybe it's all in my head. Anyway, I need to rest. We can talk later. भाई कितना रेस्ट करती है वो? किचन में तो बच्ची है ना I guess. I want my mommy. You need to accept what happened. What do you mean? I saw a TV in your room. Can I watch cartoons? Also, maybe you could invite my friends over, please. I think this is a phone number. When the grown-up invite her, they let her come. But if it's me, they just tell me off. I don't know what you saw, but I think your dad is dead. Your dad might not be coming for you. I don't know what happened to him. Okay, काफी rude हो जाएगा बच्ची के लिए यार. उसके मुंह पे कह रही your dad is dead. Are you saying he's not coming? What? Why would you say that? Well, वो दूसरी चॉइस भी उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी बोलने के लिए बच्ची को. Then why hasn't he come for you yet? बच्ची से बहस कर रहा है यार ये बंदा. बच्ची से बहस मत कर लो. What did he look like the last time you saw him? Yeah. He was good. Then hit they hit him, so I don't remember. I'm sorry about your dad. He was a good man. Sure, yeah. I bet your dad's always well. Oh, yeah. Let's say this. The girl seemed to stare through you. You are afraid to move, so just wait for something to happen. After some time, she starts wailing again. It doesn't look like there's anything you can do for her. It would be worse to let her believe a lie. She has to learn. Okay. Reality बता दी ना सबने. I want my mom. Okay. Test करते इसको भी. Photo. Armpits. Nah, that would be weird. Teeth? My teeth. You want to show me teeth? Why? I still have some baby teeth. I ain't gonna cry. Okay, yeah, chill. Oh, why is there red? Well, उसके white teeth थे but टूट रखे थे तो that counts? I don't know. Hey, chill आदमी. How's he doing? Yes, was there something you wanted? Are you okay? At least the bar had a high ceiling. कितना वैसा है ये नेगेटिव बंदा. It's too cramped for me in here. This whole planet is too cramped for me. My good man, I just want this all to end. It's all fucked up mess. Everything scares me shitless. I just can't take it. Why did I even come here? देखो इसको हम चेक कर चुके हैं. ले वे इसके हस्बैंड से बात करते हैं ना एक बारी. यहाँ तो कोई नहीं है. बच्चा कहाँ गया भाई भाई तभी उसका सस ब्रो. ये चीज़ सस लग रही है मेरे को काफ़ी. Let's call her husband. Oh, what's this? इसकी वाइफ. या deadbeat mom's husband. अरे यार टाइप करना पड़ेगा. 806. Yes. हाँ yeah hello. Your wife gave me this number. Your wife needs help. चल ये बोलते हैं. And she's lost all kids. Are they with you? No, aren't they with her? Not surprised. Did you check her mother's place? Maybe you could come and get her. Let her go herself. She's not a princess. She's got 2 working legs, right? So what's the problem? You two can figure it. Anyway, I'll tell her you're alive. Don't bother. What's the point? You don't give a damn. Okay, ठीक है. I have no idea why you're even getting involved. But I hope you two have a wonderful life. Well, काफ़ी सही कह रहे. फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता उसको इतना. बच्ची की उसको मिलाते हैं ना फ्रेंड को. नाइट पार्टी. हाँ हेलो. May I speak with your daughter? Hi, would it be okay if you... Bro, what the fuck is this? कौन आने देगा अपने उसको कि हाँ जी हेलो आपकी बेटी से बात करा दो. Okay, yeah. Our little girl, so we had to kill her. पूछते ना क्या वो? We killed her. It had been, believe me. Every sign matched what we were being told. My husband insisted. You killed your own child. well, इस सिचुएशन में तुम करोगे क्या. लाइक एक अपोकलिप्स चल रहा है एंड ये वो ज़ॉम्बी वाली सिचुएशन होगी ना कि तुम्हारा कोई लव्ड वन कोई इन्फेक्टेड हो गया वाली बात है. या मे बी लेट्स सी क्या. डोंट यू जज मी. शी वॉज अ विजिटर. ऑल द साइंस मैच. देयर वॉज नो डाउट. बट ज़ॉम्बी में एटलीस्ट यू कैन बी श्योर अबाउट इट कि हाँ ये मतलब पता चल जाएगा बंदा ज़ॉम्बी है. यहाँ पे सारे साइन होने के बाद भी यू कैन जैसे वो कह रही थी वो लड़की कि लाइक मैं डेंटिस्ट पे हो के आई हूँ. लाइक दे कैन बी 2-4 चीज़ें जो फक. आई गेट इट. या इट स्टिल मिस. ठीक है. फेमा नेबर
तो निपट गया. उसको क्या कॉल करेंगे?
फॉरेस्ट को मिलाते हैं ना उनसे. वो मंगाते हैं एनर्जी 7. Hello, we have reached Forest Food Delivery. Would you like to place an order? 2 cans of Energica, please. 1 can coffee, cigarettes. Actually, I've changed my mind. Cat food मंगा सकते हैं. Well, पहले एनर्जी मंगाते हैं. Thank you. Your order has been accepted. Please expect your delivery tomorrow night. एनर्जी बची है हमारे पास. Yeah. Let's just her know. What do you remember about him? We were over at a friend's place one day. We were much younger then. We were all hanging out, drinking. He was usually pretty moody. He didn't talk much at get-togethers like that. Well, we'd been drinking a lot that day. One moment, he was his usual silent self. Then all of a sudden, he said, "Give me a guitar. I'm gonna sing something." And he played oh so beautifully. I loved it. Our friends started requesting other songs for him to play. He just sat there for a moment and then he got up and said he had to go. He knocked over glass, tried to catch it, and dropped the guitar. I found out later that he's only learned that one single song to impress me. Oh. Well, I feel this. Why? एक second. Before anything, why इसका ये जला हुआ है? And secondly, I feel sad for her. Yeah, अच्छी लव स्टोरी है. इट्स सीन बेटर डेज जस्ट लाइक अस. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, उसने नहीं चलाई. नाउ यू कैन प्ले फॉर मी एनीमोर, यू हैव संग मी योर लास्ट सॉन्ग. क्या हो गया? सी द विडोज फोटो फ्रॉम द बिफोर टाइम्स. या लेट्स टेस्ट हर. एक इसको करते हैं और एक अपने आप को करते हैं. आइज में भी फोटोज तो कर चुका हूँ ना मैं. आर्मपिट्स और हैंड्स. सी आर्मपिट्स. आर यू इनसेन? प्लीज टेल मी, आर यू इनसेन? इफ दोस डेविल्स टोल्ड यू टू जंप ऑफ अ क्लिफ, वुड यू बी द फर्स्ट? हाँ, लाइक जिसने अपने बच्चे को मारा, वहाँ पे ये भी तो हो सकता है कि अगर जो न्यूज़ वगैरह में बता रहे हैं, अगर इफ़ दैट इज़ फॉल्स, देन तुम्हारा चाइल्ड तो बिन बात के मर गया. लाइक जॉम्बी वाले केस में ही एटलीस्ट यू कैन बी श्योर अबाउट दैट कि हाँ वो बंदा जॉम्बी है. यहाँ पे इफ़ दे आर, या दैट्स यू फॉर फक्स सेक, आई हैव नो वर्ड्स. ओके, शी हैज़ फंगस टाइप कुछ अजीब सा हो रहा है. एंड ओके, हेललेस कहेंगे 2-3 वालों को. वेल मे एज वेल टेक आउट योर गन. आई कुड डू सम रेस्ट. क्या टेस्ट करें हम इसको? अपने आप को भी करना चाहिए क्या? वेल अपने आप को करते हैं. ओके ओके चिल. इसकी और कहानी सुनेंगे. आई नीड टू चेक माई सेल्फ एंड सम स्क्रू दिस. आइज, लेट्स सी. ओके, आइज आर फाइन, आई एम फाइन. नॉट रेड नथिंग दे कैन पेन ऑन मी. ओए हाँ, वो भी तो हो सकता है. क्या कहते हैं? एस्पियोनाज कहते हैं? नहीं, म्यूटिनी. हाँ या म्यूटिनी भी तो कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे लोग. लाइक देखो, अगर तुम किसी के घर में गए हो एंड उसके बाद लाइक यू फाइंड आउट कि वो बंदा विजिटर है, तो सब मिलकर उसको भी तो मार सकते हैं. वहाँ ये भी तो रिस्क आता है फिर वहाँ पे. वेल आई गेस टाइम टू स्लीप. Hey, do you think they were still running? बात कर लेते चलो. You know, I didn't accept people to skip stocking up. जैसे उसकी शक्ल लग रही है, डायलॉग शूट कर रहे हैं उस पे. Apocalypse or not, guess folks still gotta eat lunch. Deliveries might pay pretty well right now, but the risk is huge no matter how you slice it. But this damn sun, they moved us to night shift because of it. Now people order 20 liters of water at a time. I wish we got hazard pays or tips for lunch. Okay. Anyways, sorry I got sidetracked. Ready to accept this leave? Yeah, give it. And then check out. Have a good day. Okay, still not used to that. No. Order something from for rest. कोई आएगा नहीं आज? Yeah. Anyone there? I had footsteps. Mean you are there behind the door. Why? Can you open it? First written the one. FEMA वाला है ये. Did you come for me? Oh, mask कहाँ गया इसका? Took. Oh, you think I'm? Oh yeah. I just pulled it off a corpse. Figure it might be safer out here that way. They must wear these things for a reason. Maybe just in leave radiation behind at night or something. I don't even want to know. So who are you then? Just a regular factory guy. Bill Fitz fixed them too, and I don't work there anymore. Work kept piling up. Not enough people left. We couldn't keep up. I burned out and quit. He seems kinda normal, I guess. What a thanks, देखते हैं इसको. Oh, I see there's already that woman with a corpse. Oh, ठीक है. Look, I have been stuck in this damn suit all day. Just wanna take it off, wash off all blood. I swear, I said nice and quiet. Nah, bro, nah. देखो, the thing is, अगर ये बंदा human हुआ भी, and वो बंदी maybe visitor हुई, तो like वापिस इस पे सारे टेस्ट करने पड़ेंगे मेरे को. ऑलरेडी मैं उसमें 4 टेस्ट कर चुका हूँ. इतना कुछ दिखा नहीं मेरे को. यार fuck you. No. Alright, I get it. Guess this suit's kinda scary. I don't even know why I'm still wearing it. Bye. Okay, hello there, human. How lucky we are to witness the humanity's final judgment with our own eyes. The earth is being cleansed of sin. The sun is doing its holy work. We are on the path of a pure new world. Behold the fucking beams of blessing. Yeah, true. You are scaring me. You are scared? Have you gone shadow mad? Here I'll break it down for you in simple terms. The sun does not burn and boil us alive without purpose. It is cleansing us of our sins. तो why the fuck are you alive भाई? जो ऐसे बंदे होते हैं ना, लाइक को भी अपोकलिप्स आती है, वो सिन वाली बात ले आते हैं. तो लाइक आज के उसमें देयर इज नो वन जिसने कोई सिन ना करा हो. अगर आप सबके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखने जाएं, एंड अगर किसी एक का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू चल रहा है कि हाँ ये चीज़ सिन है और चीज़ नहीं, तो किसका एक्सेप्ट करोगे तुम? द थिंग इज दैट, अगर ये बंदा फॉर एग्जांपल है, मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इसने कोई सिन करा है, तो ही शुड गेट किल्ड, राइट? बट वही बात है कि मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव कौन डिसाइड करेगा कि मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ, एंड उसी हिसाब से इसका कौन डिसाइड करेगा? हु इज दैट सिन डिफाइन करने वाला बंदा यार? Our lust and greed has polluted this world and it has angered the sun. भाई are you not lustful bro? आप पे greed नहीं है? सोचने वाली बात है ना, जो बंदे ऐसे बोलते हैं कि lust and greed, उनका भी तो होता है कुछ, या होते हैं ऐसे जगह. This is a reckoning and it is a blessing. All sins will end and we shall live as righteous fucking ashes under its case. So we have to die. What will happen to what does this have to do with me? We shall all live deliciously as soon as the sun completes his salvation. Its holy rays will help us escape this torment. Don't you see? You definitely see. That's why you are still alive. देखो, he might be a human or a visitor, but to be honest, I don't care why. I don't like these kind of people जो ऐसी बातें करते हैं. तो my gut, yeah, he should leave, bro. Are you a complete imbecile? Movement, yeah. You are shooting away a righteous and just man. जो बंदा ऐसे कहते just stay away. दूर रहो भाई उससे, जो अपने आप को बोले ना कि भाई हम ही सही हैं. Behold, Energica, let me in, and I shall bestow upon you the generous reward straight from my holy sun itself. क्या वो दे रहे हैं रिश्वत? मेरे पे 2 पड़ी है bro. Were you just, what the fuck is this word? Feigning ignorance about the sun? Well then fuck you, I'll go save someone else. Yeah, fuck off. See ya shithead, good luck, fucking bye. देखो, अगर तुम्हें एक ही बंदा चाहिए तो मेरे पे ऑलरेडी 3 है, मैं क्यों किसी को अंदर लूँगा बिन बात का, राइट? अगर मेरे को बंदा परफेक्टली बढ़िया नहीं लग रहा. ओके, ज़ॉम्बी हो रहा था, ज़ॉम्बी आके हे कफ can you let me in pal? Who are you? What happened to you? I got caught in the midday sun, cough, while putting out forest fires. I'm the only one left from my squad. ये दिन में क्या कर रहा था? देखो गेम ने हमें बताया कि लाइक सन काफ़ी वो का हार्मफुल एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. तो लाइक ये दिन में कैसे काम कर रहे थे? एंड अगर ये काम कर रहे थे दिन में तो बाकी ह्यूमंस को क्या दिक्कत आ रही है? ह्यूमंस आर अडेप्टिव, राइट? तभी तो अब आज तक इतनी एवोल्यूशन, यू नो, एक्सटेंशन और स्टफ के बाद आज यहाँ पे हैं. तो लाइक हाउ द फक ही कैन डू हिज वर्क एंड अदर्स कैन नॉट? या आई डोंट नो. The rest, they cough. The boss just wouldn't let them leave. Now they are on shift eternally. They died, huh? Weren't you at hospital? What are you going to do? Hospital, there are no more hospitals, pal. When the visitors came, the whole point of hospital went up in smoke. Hard to get treatment if you can't trust who's treating you. There's cough, no helping me now. I have been better off putting out those fires and dying out there with my buddies. I don't have much time left anyway. Well, ठीक है. He might look like a zombie, but maybe ठीक है. I don't think I'll be in your hair for too long. At least I won't have to die alone in the dirt. Yeah. They gave us this slip of paper. Okay. It's a mandate telling us to report. But okay, but why go if everyone who does end up dead? Hey, I don't need it anyway. You can throw it away. Wait, like अगर ये मेरे को फैमा नोटिस दे रहा है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये फैमा नोटिस वाला मेरे को मैकेनिक समझ नहीं आया. लाइक इफ ही इज गिविंग फैमा नोटिस की तो फैमा वाले मेरे को पकड़ के लेके जाएंगे. एंड अगर मैंने किसी दूसरे को ऐसी दी कि देखिए मेरे को मिला तू रख ले, तो उसको लेके जाएंगे. लाइक हाउ डज दिस मेक सेंस? एंड तीसरी सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट, लाइक उस बंदे ने नो फाड़ दिया, क्या कर लोगे तुम? रिसीव्ड अ फैमा नोटिस. लुक्स लाइक नो वन एल्स इज कमिंग टुनाइट. ओके, और बाहर नहीं देखा. शिट. Good afternoon, this is the news. We will get an important update. New details have emerged regarding a recent incident that unfolded in the city. It seems one of the city's quarantine zones come under attack from an armed individual. The suspect's motive remained unclear at the time, and it's unknown if the attacker had any accomplices. Notably, several unverified individuals also escaped the quarantine zone. And क्या हो गया? Silence is harbinger of death, a sinister quiet that drains the soul. But the worse than the emptiness is the ringing. A distant funeral knell. Okay. The bell tolled for us all, filling our ears with endless din. Yeah, सीधे बोल दो ना तुम. क्या ये din डून अजीब अजीब बातें? Fill the thoughts caught in webs of facts. An eternal lust where visitors thrive. Tangled deep in sticky sustenance. Cerumen in an ठीक है जो भी बोला इसने. अपने सस्पेंड ऑन टेम्पररी सस्पेंशन ऑफ डिस्पोजल. ओके, तो लाइक क्या कानों से एंटर करते हैं वो? मे बी, यू नेवर नो. Today's incident has sparked numerous theories. Some reports describe a lone shooter, while others mention an armed group dressed in hooded clothing. However, the city's greatest challenge may still lie ahead. Due to lockdown measures imposed, corpse disposal in surrounding areas has been temporarily suspended. Resident inspections, however, will continue as scheduled. If you are able to cremate the deceased, do so immediately. If not, please wait until the situation is resolved before surrendering any equipment remains. That's the latest. Well, why can't you cremate them? I don't know. Hey, how are you doing? It's so goddamn hot. Heat trap हो गई इसके. How are you feeling? Seems like it's even worse than thought. Damn it. I don't think I'll hold out longer than a week. It did ease the pain a little when you let me in, though. Thank you. But now I'm just sitting here while the rest of the guys are out there dying. Well, how are they working in the sun when I could have stayed with them? It's not like I've got anything to lose. I'm already on the way out after all. Well, इसको एक basic test कर लेते हैं इसका. Sure pal, I have nothing to hide. Yeah, ठीक है. Yes. फोटो लेके देखते हैं एक बारी. Sure, whatever. You'll only get a chart cops though.